4 things that turn on all women, right? 4 things that turn on all women. Before we get into the video today, bruh, like the video. Like the video. It won't hurt. Like the video. The reason why I'm making a video on this topic because, guys, y'all be overly complicating this shit, right? Y'all overly complicated. Y'all think women just so complicated. No, bruh. If you just do the basic ass shit, bruh, you will see way more success with women. Right? You will see way more success with women, but some of y'all think, oh, that's just too simple. That just too simple. That don't work. That don't work. I know you gotta do a lot more than that. That don't work. But bro, I'm telling you, if you do these 4 things, bro, she will get turned on. She will get turned on. She will get turned on. But let's jump into it. Number 1, guys, if you smell good, bro, you need to smell good. You need to smell good. A lot of y'all dudes be musty as hell. Y'all be musty as hell, smelling like straight shit. Smelling like straight shit. Nobody wants to be around you. Nobody. Even a woman or man. Right? Guys, you must smell good. Take care of your fucking hygiene. Take care of it, bruh. Start washing your ass, washing your balls, washing your body. Washing between all the crevices, your ears. Right? Wash your fucking body. Some of y'all dudes don't even know what soap is. Like, y'all never heard the word soap. Possibly can't. Because, bro, when I'm out in public, bro, and I walk past dudes, right, they be smelling like straight shit, and that shit be pissing me the fuck off. Like, bro, why do you stink? Why do you stink? You not sweating, you not working out, you not doing nothing. You just walking around. Why the hell are you musty as hell? Why the hell do you smell like straight doo-doo? Why? And you expect to get some bitches? You expect these bitches to be on you? You expect these bitches to be on you and you smell like that. You smell stink. Also, guys, have cologne in your collection. Every man should be having like at least 1 cologne, right? None of y'all dudes don't believe in cologne. Y'all just throw a shirt on, right out the washer dryer, put it on and go about your day, right? Bruh, every time you step out the house, put on fucking cologne. A lot of dudes is not doing it. That's why women will get so turned on. Especially if your cologne smell good, especially if you look good. Bruh, if you look good, smell good, bruh, I promise you, the bitch box is going to get wet. It's going to get wet. It's going to get moist. She's going to throw herself at you, right? But bruh, put on cologne, right? Put on cologne. I promise you, when you go up, when you about to hug a woman or the woman kissing all on your neck and shit, licking all on your neck, giving you hickeys and shit, right? She's smelling your neck. She getting more turned on. That box is getting more watery. Because she's like, oh my God, he looks so good. He smells so good. He tastes so good. Oh my God. I can't stop. I can't help myself. Right? But guys, you have to smell good. Stop being musty as hell. Stop. Stop. You need to be taking a shower every damn day. At least once a day. I don't give a fuck if you're not doing nothing. If you just sitting at the house on your fucking ass not doing nothing. Get your ass in the shower every day. Every day. Number 2. Holding eye contact. Guys, y'all must know how to master eye contact. Holding eye contact will get the bitch aroused because most dudes is beta. Most dudes, when they talking to a girl, they looking down, right? They looking down. They looking this way. They looking this way. They not looking at the girl when talking to the girl, right? So the woman, she like, damn, this dude, he's weak as hell. He can't hold eye contact. Damn, he's supposed to be a man. He's supposed to be stronger than me, and he can't hold eye contact. He's scared of me. He's scared of me, right? He's scared of me. What the fuck? This dude is weak. I'm not finna take him seriously. I'm not finna be turned on by this dude that can't hold eye contact. Fuck no. Fuck no. Right? But if you that dude that can hold eye contact, talk that shit in her ear while holding eye contact, right? Looking at her, right? She gonna get aroused. She like, oh my God. I finally found a man. I finally found a masculine man. Guys, when you talking to women, any woman, you bet not break eye contact. Hold fucking eye contact. Hold it. Hold it. Because as soon as you break eye contact, bro, while she's fucking holding eye contact with your ass, you lost her. Right? She's not going to take you seriously because she's like, damn, you weak as hell. You can't even do the bare minimum shit. Guys, I'm telling you, these simple things that I'm telling y'all, bro, promise you, it will get you so far. It will get you so far, but you have to listen to me. You have to do what the fuck I'm telling you to do so you can get what you want. Because if you can't even do the 4 basic things that I'm finna tell you to do, you're not gonna get no box ever. You're not gonna get no box ever if you don't do the 4 things I'm telling you to do, right? So yes, guys, when you talking to women, hell, when you talking to anybody, bro, just hold eye contact, hold it. It shows that you strong. It shows that you masculine. It shows that you comfortable, right? It shows that you confident. Baby, I'm confident. I can hold eye contact with you, baby. This ain't shit. You do not intimidate me, baby. I'm not scared of you. I don't fear you, right? And if you could just hold eye contact with anybody, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, he's a strong man. He's a masculine man. He not scared of nobody. Because as soon as you start breaking eye contact to anybody you talk to, automatically, in they fucking brain, they like, oh yeah, this dude weak. I can run over him, right? And you don't want to be the dude that's getting pushed over, run over, bullied. No, be that strong man. You know what I'm saying? Number 3, getting in the gym. You must get in the gym. You must get in the gym. I'm not saying you gotta be fucking Ronnie Coleman. I'm not saying that you gotta be C-Bump, right? You don't have to be a fucking power lifter, a bodybuilder. You don't have to do none of that shit, bro. But your body gotta look A1. It have to be. You cannot be looking like a fucking average Joe, a skinny ass stick, or a fat ass slob. You cannot be looking like that. You have to have some muscle definition on you. Hell, I know y'all see it. Most of these girls nowadays damn near way more than a man do, right? You don't want your girl to weigh more than you, bro. Right? You don't want your girl to weigh more than you. And if she do weigh more than you, nigga, you need to be able to bench her ass, squat her ass, you pick her ass up easily without getting tired, without fucking stumbling. You need to be able to do that shit easy, picking her up easy, right? Women get turned on by a dude with nice bodies, guys. Just how you see that girl, she got a nice booty, nice breast, slim ass waist, you get turned on by that. Same goes to women. When they see a dude with brolic shoulders, wide shoulders, big ass back, small waist, when you pull your shirt up, they see the abs, bro. That do something to them. That get them moist down there. That turns them on, right? That turns them on, guys. It is so easy for me to get a woman. It is so easy. Yes, I go through shit just like y'all with women. Yes, right? But it's way more easier for me than you. If you're a skinny ass stick man or if you a fat ass slob. they gonna give you hella shit test, right? But these bitches, they ain't gonna give a dude that's ripped the fuck up. They not gonna really give him too much shit test. Yes, they gonna give him a little shit test, but not too much, right? Because he's sexually attractive, right? That's turning them on. They just imagine a dude that's in shape breaking their back down, just breaking it in, stroking them to sleep every night. That's how you get these bitches to chase you always. That's how you get them to remember you always. That's how you stand out from everybody else always, because most men do not look like you. Most men is out of shape. Most people is out of shape. If you're a dude that's in shape, bro, you look like a fucking alien, because a lot of people not in shape. Simple as that. A lot of people not in shape. Simple as that, right? So, bro, if you get in shape, bro, I promise you, bro, the girl is going to get aroused. The girl is going to always chase you. The girl is going to always chase you. You have to go to the gym. As a man, guys, the gym is fucking mandatory. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. You have to go to the gym. You have to. To the day you don't exist no more. To the day you're not on this earth no more, right? You gone, your body gone, you're dead, right? You must always go to the gym until that day. You know what I'm saying? There's no ifs, ands, or buts, right? Guys, I will be going to the gym when I'm 70, 80, 90, 100 years old. Yes, right? I might not be ripped as hell, but I'm be looking a little decent. You know what I'm saying? I won't be looking like y'all. I won't be looking like y'all because I'm going to the gym 5 times out the week, every fucking day. Right? I'm not missing no days. I'm not. Right? So yes, bro, get your ass in the gym. She will get turned on by that. And number 4, a dude that can dress. This kind of go with number 3, you been in the gym. Right? Guys, if you a dude that's in shape and you can dress, bro, the clothes is tailored to your fucking body, it's hugging your physique. It's hugging your physique, right? She's going to love you. She's going to love you. Damn, he can put that shit on. Oh my God, girl, look at him. You look so good. Damn. That's why a lot of y'all dudes be looking childish as hell. A lot of y'all dudes be looking childish as hell because either y'all fat as hell with baggy ass clothes or y'all skinny as hell with baggy ass clothes, right? That's why y'all look childish. That's why girls don't take you seriously. That's why women not turned on by y'all, right? Because y'all not in the gym and your clothes is not hugging. It's not tailored to your body, right? Guys, you look more manly, you look more masculine when the clothes is hugging your body, when the clothes is hugging your physique, right? Guys, when you see a girl that's got a nice ass body, what's she wearing? She wearing fitted clothing. She wants you to see this body. She wants you to see it because she know that you're interested in it, right? So you do the same thing. You play the game. Stop playing the fucking game backwards. Play the fucking game. Play it. Play it, right? If you're a dude that's in shape right now, start wearing fitted clothing. Do the same thing these bitches doing. I promise you, bro, they going to chase you. They going to chase you, right? But you got to get into the gym, right? And you got to wear fitted clothing. You have to wear clothing. You have to know how to dress, right? You have to know how to dress. Stop wearing these shirts that got like SpongeBob and Spider-Man. No. Wear simple t-shirts, black and white t-shirts. Keep it simple. A simple t-shirt, a whole red t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? A navy blue t-shirt. Just keep shit simple. You don't need all these t-shirts with words and crazy ass shit. No, you want to look as manly, as masculine as possible, right? Manly and masculine as possible, guys. Y'all be wearing these SpongeBob, Spider-Man, Thor t-shirts. Yes, guys, I like Spider-Man. Yes, I fuck with Thor, right? But you will not be seeing me walking outside, right? just let's say we going to the mall, right? You will not be seeing me wearing that t-shirt, right? If I am wearing a Spider-Man Thor t-shirt, guess what I'm wearing it to? I'm wearing it to the gym. And guess what? I'm ripped the fuck up so I can wear that. You know what I'm saying? It's different. If you a dude that's in shape, yes, you can wear that type shit. But if you a dude that's not in shape, bro, you cannot wear that shit. You cannot. Because you already look childish as hell. You make yourself even look more childish, right? So yes, guys, women are attracted to men that can dress, that can put that shit on. Right? One day I can wear a suit. One day I can just dress casual, right? And I'm still putting that shit on. I'm still looking good. I still smell good. Anything I put on, my physique is showing, right? Guys, I don't go to the fucking gym just to hide my body. No, bitch, you don't see this shit. You going to see my body. You going to see it. Yes, right? Because y'all do the same exact shit. These women, they do the same exact shit. So why not play the game? Play it. And these 4 things is what women are turned on by. Yes, it's that simple, guys. All y'all have to do is just follow what the fuck I'm telling you to do, and you will start seeing way more success with women, right? And yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, this your boy Darren. I'm out. Peace.